Hello guys, today I want to show you how to use Soundpad. So here, open Soundpad and this is the play button of the song that you want to play. This record file is on the speaker. You can add a microphone speaker here, pause, and play your songs here. Now here on file, you can just add a new sound, and you can just load a new sound from your desktop. And here you have also the preferences. You can also customize your default volume of the sounds. You can browse voice activation sounds, you can add karaoke, and you can configure the hotkeys here, the interface, the play mode, the toolbar, the style, and that's it guys. This is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.